Hello folks and welcome to another Parkside product review video. Today I have for you this angle measurer and spirit level. It costs only 8 euros and of course you can find it at Lidl. You can use it for measuring and transferring angles ranging from 0 to 270 degrees. There are two vials in the device, one for horizontal and one for vertical leveling. It also includes a pencil and two scribes. The arms are made from aluminium and are long 50 centimeters. They are connected with this built-in mechanism with a lock. Let's remove the plastic foil and take a better look at the device. Okay, here is the pencil. And here are the two scribes. Now let's touch them. We have this nice slidable ruler over here. And of course the two vials. This one is for horizontal leveling and the other is for vertical. We have a magnet over here for better locking of the two arms. And the locking mechanism over here is a simple screw. There's a pointer for measuring the exact angle. The manufacturer is some sort of Austrian company, but of course the product is made in China, as everything else from Parkside. Nice product with a reasonable price. So that's from me, guys. Thumbs up and subscribe if you like the video.